Guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download Assetto Corsa on PC or laptop. So to download and install Assetto Corsa on PC, you have to first of all install Steam, and through Steam you could go and access the following game. So on the web address bar, type in steampowered.com, and that's going to take you to the official page. And this is going to look something like this. So first thing, you have to go to install Steam. So press on install Steam, and then click on install Steam for Windows. When you are done installing the application, then you have to go and create your account. Once done creating your account as well, then go to stores, and from here you have to go and tap on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Assetto Corsa. Just go ahead and type in that. When you locate the following game, then you have to double press on it and open it up. This is how it's going to look like. Here, scroll down a bit and go to add to cart. It's going to take you to the cart page where you can go ahead and click on view my cart. Then you could go ahead and proceed to checkout by tapping on continue to payment. And when you do that, you have to go ahead and enter in your details and all that, and you'll have successfully purchased the game. And after you're done purchasing the game, then with the next, you have to go ahead and install it, and you could go ahead and play Assetto Corsa on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.